There's a lot of blue going on today in this video. I just realized that. I got a blue wall, blue shirt, and blue lips. Huh. Did I go change? I feel like this is a lot of blue. Ah, screw it. I'm not gonna go change. This is how I walked in, this is how I'm gonna walk out. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Too Beautiful Tuesday. My name is Kinsey. If you did not know that, now you know. If you do not know what Too Beautiful Tuesday is, it is basically a series on this channel, hence the name, to where on every Tuesday I will showcase a certain makeup item, or it can be anything. It can be makeup, skincare, perfume, whatever I happen to have here that I find particularly pretty. And it does not have to be the actual color of the item. It can be the way it blends, the way it sits on the skin, the actual attractiveness of the packaging or what's inside of it, anything, just something that I find pretty, that I like a lot. And today we're going to be discussing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And I just realized I sounded very country saying that. Beverly Hills. But yes, guys, I have the packaging right here. It is very, is this hollow? Is this hollow? I cannot tell. I don't know. Maybe it's foil. I can't tell. Christine, I need help. Tell me if this is hollow or if this is just like a foil rainbow. I don't know. But it is in this very pretty packaging, and you slide it out just like this. I still have the packaging. Again, I keep everything in the packaging. I don't know why. I just do. But here's what the actual component looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. The entire packaging on this product is absolutely stunning. As you can see, as I turn it, it almost looks like an oil slick. It's so pretty, almost psychedelic. Like you could get lost in this if I did it long enough. And I picked this up when I was at Ulta about a week ago. I seen it online and I almost bought it online. Same thing with the Benefit palette, the blush palette, the first Too Beautiful Tuesday. I saw it online and I almost bought it immediately online when I saw it. But then I was like, I don't want to pay shipping because I'm cheap. But the thing is that makeup in general isn't cheap. I'm just trying to be cheap and not pay shipping. But I did get this at Ulta. It does retail for $45. I don't think that's a bad price at all for this. You get 6 color highlighters and they are like actual colors. So like purple, orange, green, stuff like that, but not like green or anything. I will show you in just a second, but the actual packaging is just beautiful. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and open it up here. I got the film. I'll take it off. And then here is what the actual shades look like inside. Again, even on the pan, you see this like oil slick design on it. And each shade in here is absolutely beautiful. Let me start from the bottom right, and then we'll kind of move upward and I'll zoom in a little further so you can see it up close. So here we go. This is the first one. It is called Ethereal. I don't know how you would really say it, but this is a very pretty purple color. Here is the second one. Nice, pretty yellow. The third one is called Regal, and I love this color. It's one of my favorite ones in the palette. Top left now, we're going up there, and this one I believe is called Wish. No, this one's called Magic. I do apologize. This one is called Magic. Going to the top middle, this one, I think that says Unicorn because I'm reading upside down. I think it says Unicorn. And then this one here is the Wish. All very beautiful colors, and I will swatch each one of these for you guys. So now that you've seen the colors, I'm sure some of you were like, those are really bright colors. Do they look like that on the skin? No, they don't. Now the thing is that I have swatched each of these individually. I swatched them at the store actually. I've only used one on my skin, which is the Wish color right here. As you can see, it's obviously used. But all the other ones I've just swatched at the store. So we're gonna go ahead, there's 6 shades, so I'm gonna do 4 fingers here and then 2 on this side. So on the index finger, we're gonna go into Wish right here. Couple of swirls. That's so pigmented, oh my god. So then we're gonna go in with the middle finger. We're gonna go into Unicorn. Now I know I'm looking at the viewfinder right now just to make sure I can see. Very pigmented. Ring finger, we're gonna go into Magic. super pretty as well. In the pinky finger, we're going to dip into Ethereal down here. Is it Ethereal? Ethereal? Whenever I see the word Ethereal, I always think of Mithril from Lord of the Rings. I don't know why. And then on this hand, we're going to use the index finger and go right into Sunshine. That's the one that I couldn't pronounce because I couldn't read it upside down. So that one's Sunshine. Gorgeous. I'm not going to show it just yet. And then the middle finger, we're going to go into Regal right down here. So I have got all 6 swatched right here. Let me do a close-up of all 4 really quickly. Or of all 6 really quickly. So look at that. Look how gorgeous each one of these are. They are so pigmented. I think this one right here and the green one are actually the most pigmented out of all of them. But they don't look, like this one doesn't look green on the skin. It has like a little kind of a greenish tint, but it's not green. And then here are the other 2, Sunshine and Regal. Again, so pretty, so pigmented. And let's go ahead. Where am I going to swatch these? I don't know where I'm going to swatch these. So let's do a hand. We'll do a hand swatch here. So first one I'm going to take is the, well, shucks. I closed it. There we go. Well, did it again. So first one we're going to go in with is the Wish shade. And let's put it on the inside of my hand just to make it easier. We're going to do 1 swipe down, that's all we're going to do. And then the middle finger, we're going to do Unicorn. 1, as you can see, 1 swipe down. Now I'll show you all of these here in just a second. Then next it is Magic. 1 swipe down. And then lastly on the right hand is the pinky finger, and that one is Ethereal. Bam. Wow, these are gorgeous. Oh my god, these are so pretty. So we're gonna do, I swatched this hand on this side. I'm gonna do these 2 fingers on this side, but I'm gonna show off these first. So here is what all of them look like on my hand. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is Wish, Unicorn in the center here, Magic, and then Ethereal right there. Absolutely stunning. Each one so pretty, and I'm not trying to be dramatic, it's just so, I think it's so pretty just in general. Then moving on to these 2 fingers, we're going to first swatch Sunshine on this hand, 1 swipe down, and then lastly we have Regal, which is the very last one, 1 swipe down. And here are these 2. Again, 2 absolutely stunning. Sunshine is right here. Regal is right here. So reflective. I don't know what to say. I really don't. And now I'm covered in highlighter. So now that you've seen them swatched, I want to go ahead and also put a few of them on the face as well, just so you can see what they'll look like on the face, because it's a difference between a hand swatch and seeing what they look like on the skin. So I have got my Morphe M510 highlighting brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in here, zoom you in a little bit just so you can see the whole shebang, and we will go ahead and swatch some on the skin. Alright, so I have zoomed you in quite a bit. Now I already have highlighter on, so we're just going to go on top of it here. I've got my brush, and let's go ahead and dip into Ethereal down here again. We'll go ahead and get a little swatching right here. Picked up on the brush, very pretty, and let's go ahead and put this on top. And can you see that? That just gives like a giant like shine. That looks so pretty. Not that I need any more highlighter, but you know, why not? It does have a tiny purple tint to it. So then on this cheek, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna kind of dust off my brush here, and then we're gonna go into Unicorn, the top middle one, this nice pink shade. We're gonna dip into this one and do this side. This side. Nice grammar. And look at that. It gives a tiny pinkish tint. It's so pretty though. Bam. It like reflects. It like reflects so nicely. I will say one thing about this palette is that there is a lot of fallout, and I've never had an issue with highlight fallout. I don't know why that is, but if you can see right here from me putting my brush into it, there's a lot of fallout on the container. So even if I do this, can you see that coming out? It's getting all over my bed. So if you're someone that hates fallout, then you may stay clear of this palette, but the thing is that everything has fallout nowadays, and I honestly could not care less. As long as the product works really well, if it has a bit of fallout, then who cares? So here is a Unicorn, this beautiful kind of pinkish shade. And then on the nose, let's go ahead and do Magic. I'm going to show you this green one right here, just because I know some people are kind of scared of the green color, which is, I understand. So we're going to go down the nose. Wow, that is so pigmented. And as you can see here, it doesn't give like green, you know, it doesn't like just make your nose or whatever area you put it on just straight up green. It is just all over, just highlight. Just, it gives like a really, really, really deep glow. Very, very pretty. Absolutely stunning. Each one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. And what I will tell you is that when I went to Ulta, when I saw this in the Anastasia little display, this was the last one they had. They had no more. I even checked down at the bottom because sometimes they fall down and lay flat instead of standing up like this. I checked at the very bottom, there was none. This was the last one, so I think it's fate. Same thing happened with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Same store, same day and everything. I got that one and this one, last one they had. I could not believe it, and this was one of the biggest things I wanted. It's absolutely beautiful, and I dove for it because I was like, this is the last one, someone else is gonna get it. But you know, no one was around me. It was just me. But yeah, I'm so glad I have it now, that it's in my collection. I'm so excited. I love this. One of my favorite. Actually, this is my only highlighting palette, but it has to be one of my favorite highlighters as a whole that I own. It's just so nice. But yes guys, that is going to be the end of the video today. I have showed you the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow palette. If you would like to order your own, the link is in the description, or you can go to Ulta or Sephora to pick it up yourself if you have wanted it and you have kind of been putting it off because you don't know what it's like. I would highly recommend it. It works super well, and it is actually pretty affordable for what it is. 6 full highlighters, $45. Definitely not a bad price point. I've seen worse. But yeah, I hope that you did like this video. If you did, then please go ahead and click that like button and then subscribe if you would like to. And click the little bell while you're down there as well. I hope you have a great rest of your day / night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!